and today I'm very pleased to welcome you to the Wilstock Village. Here on Sorrel Drive we have a substantial 5 or 6 bedroom detached family home with multiple living arrangements spread over 3 floors. The property also benefits from a double garage and a large garden. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you wish to view this stunning property or would like your home valued by the Property Centre, then please do get in touch.